Okay, what we have here is a metal clasp, can be seen in this large rock boulder. Here it is here closer, a round clasp with the hole in the middle. It's used to move the rock in place. As you can see, here's some more metal connectors, some small ones there. Just make them bigger there for you to see. As you can see how they've been hammered in to move the rock around. There again. Obviously they've been used to put them in place for a chain or rope. And see on the top of this rock, you can see some more hammered in. There's a closer view of that rock. You see the holes through the middle of the metal clasps. Here's another one here. It's down on the left bottom. Some larger ones put in there. Closer view, as you can see the rounded curves on them, both been whacked in there to move the large rock around. And what we see here in the shade, it's quite dark there, but if this picture was lightened, what you would see is this fastener of some sort placed on the rock. As you see, there's grooves going in, so some sort of chain was locked on, chain or rope, to be used to move or help move that large rock around.